Hello, this is my soldering pencil tutorial. Hi, welcome. So we need safety materials first. Plug in your soldering pencil and you are good. And then take out your soldering pencil and you're also good. You need to wipe that. Wipe it real good. Next, we put it back in. Safety matters. And then we're gonna sand that. We need to be really pointy. And we don't want any old solder on it. Absolutely no old solder. This thing keeps going forever. It will not stop. Now we need to solder joints together. Let's go. Now you put the wire next to the tip and it's pretty self-explanatory. The liquid will make a bubble, and then after you make all these bubbles with your soldering pencil, then now you must cut off the extra wire that was left behind after soldering. This is very important, but least important